Hey, what is up, YouTube? It is Tech Drift with a brand new video for you guys today. In today's video, I'll be talking about how you can avoid having political content in Instagram, what feature you can enable so it doesn't suggest political content. I know sometimes some users, most of the time, they just want to go to Instagram just for entertainment or whatever that is, and they don't just want to see political stuff. And I'm going to show you how you can disable that stuff. First, go ahead into Instagram and go ahead and click on this three line on the right corner, and let's go ahead into the bottom, and we will go ahead and we'll click on content preferences and scroll down. As you can see, political content, you want to uncheck this so it does not suggest you any political content, as then it will not suggest any of that stuff for you. But yeah, that is how you go ahead and make sure you do this so you don't see any political content. I hope this video helps you, and I hope you like this content. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks.